Name's Neville Gaunt, and we've got a very interesting discussion for you today. And it's all about having good lighting when you're on the digital arena. And I'm delighted to have my colleague all the way from India, Madhulika, who's only 12 years old, and she's going to explain to us exactly how she helped her dad set up studio lighting in his home. So, Madhulika, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much. And the stage is yours. So over to you. Why have you done this project?
I have made this studio light for giving a good shine on the face, and in this studio light, it gives a parallel line which illuminates on our face, and it doesn't allow any dark and light and patches on a face. Like you can see, there's no dark light and patches on my face because there's a studio light.
That's absolutely brilliant, because we can see just by looking at you that all of your face is lit up. There's no dark patches, there's no shading, and if you turn your head to the left or the right, we can still see your beautiful face. So tell me now, what did you actually do? What was exciting about this little project you did?
I actually, me and my father researched about this project, this DIY project. When we researched that this studio lights are very costly, and they're very expensive. So we decided to make our own. We decided to make our own studio light at home, because this is a COVID time, so we can't go out, or it is very difficult to make this hard thing.
Absolutely, and the key thing here is studio lights are very expensive. And have you ever been on a TV show? Have you been to see them when they do a TV show, and all the expensive equipment they have when they're interviewing the
Yes,
journalists?
sir.
Yes, it's really expensive. They put a lot of effort into it because people want to see the best of people when they come on the TV. And on a video like this, we want to see the best of people when they're on the video, so that there's no distractions. Because when you've got dark shades out there, there's distractions. And what we want to do is to see the person that's talking to us. So tell me now, what did you actually do to make this studio light?
First we went up, and then we saw. First we designed the whole studio light on a paper, and then we thought that these studio lights are very cost expensive, so we decided to make a studio light with all the resources which we have in our home. And then we went up. First we went up, and then I saw that there are 3-4 many old dish antennas at the roof. So they were. So I chose one, and then I unscrewed it, and then when I unscrewed it, and it was getting very difficult for unscrewing it. So, but then I helped my father to unscrew it, and then we brought it down. We cleaned it properly, but then it was so much razzed out that we took a sandpaper, and then we just remove those which were there on a dish antenna.
So it was very rusty, was it?
Yeah.
It had that brown rust.
Yeah.
So, and when you used the sandpaper, did it screech a little? So you were a bit squeamish.
No, we had to just scratch on the dish antenna to remove those brown.
The rust bits, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was obviously up there for quite some time, and things
Yeah.
do get rusty. So,
Yeah.
what a great idea they call that
Because
rubbing it down.
Because it was out, so it got rusted.
Absolutely, it's out in the weather, so it does get rusty. Yeah. So once you've rubbed it down and you've got a nice smooth surface, what did you do next?
We took a glue, and then we applied it in the inner surface of the dish antenna. After that, we stick the aluminium foil on it, and then we make sure that there is no wrinkles on the on the aluminium foil, and after that we took a normal LED bulb, and then we just fixed it into the dish antenna, and then we just took the whole dish antenna, and then we fixed it on the wall.
Wow. So when you said you put the aluminium foil and you pushed all the wrinkles out, why did you push the wrinkles out?
Because the light wouldn't reflect on our face properly.
Yeah, it's a simple one, isn't it? And I bet there were lots of wrinkles, because whenever I've done anything like this, pushing out those wrinkles takes a lot of time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a nice smooth surface. And what happened when you turned the light on for the first time?
When we turn on the light for the first time, it just my father's face just glows.
It glows
without any wrinkles or like anything. Dark and light patches on the
Okay,
face.
he hasn't got any wrinkles like me. I've got wrinkles on my face. So all of those disappeared, did they?
Yeah.
Just because the light was good. Okay, we're going to demonstrate now, and we haven't practiced this at all, but we're going to demonstrate turning that light off and showing the difference. So I hope Dad's listening in the background. So when I say after 3, he turns the light off, just leaves it off for 2 seconds, and then turns the light back on again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now we can see the difference. And turn it back on. There we go. There we go. The screen takes a bit of time to adjust to the light, but all of a sudden, all of those shady bits has gone away. And that's the whole point of this little session today. You explained it absolutely brilliantly. Now, tell me, how did you feel when it worked?
I feel very happy, and I feel very proud that I have participated in this. I have participated in this DIY project.
That's brilliant, because DIY, for those that don't know, it's do it yourself. And there's lots of things we can get around the house and we can make and do it yourself. Madalika, it's been an absolute delight speaking with you today. I'm really pleased you enjoyed doing that little job with your father, because doing those little jobs now, in 20 years' time, you'll be doing those on your own. So good luck. Thank you very much for contributing today. What we can do on Zoom is we can have a wave goodbye. So you're 6,000 miles away from me, so we're gonna wave goodbye. You gonna wave? Nice big wave. Bye bye. Nice smile.
Have a nice day.
And you have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.